Hello everyone. Today I want to show you in the SPSS how you will know which one is a categorical variable and which one is a continuous variable. So continuous variable means there is no distinction, no difference between the one value and the other. So they are simply the numbers or Likert scales. So when you click here, you can see that there are degrees from the 1 point to the 5 point. So this is a Likert scale. In this case, you will consider this variable is constructed as a continuous variable. And also there are pure numbers from the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the service years, for instance, that is the continuous variable. So they are continuous variable, just the simple numbers. And then please remember, Likert scale also. So these variables, continuous variables, you have to report in the APA table that this standard deviation average, that is the when there is normally distributed, you have to report the average mean value, MEAN, mean value, standard deviation, skewness, and kurtosis. And it depends, minimum and maximum. And the distribution will be about if that is normally distributed or skewed, or is also the leptokurtic or the platykurtic. So that is for the continuous variable. You have to report all this. But when you find the categorical variable, for instance, the city, this one, that is not the numerical value, the city 1 until city 8. So this is the categories. So in this case, and also the like age, you can see there is not the pure numbers. The age is categorized. It's under 20, and then this and this. There are different categories. So in this case, they are considered as a categorical variables. So when you report the categorical variables, you can see that that is the case age. So you can report what is the most occurring value. So this was the most frequently repeated value was that you write that in the average, and then in the standard deviation, skewness, kurtosis, and minimum maximum. There is nothing to report because they are categorical variables. And by the way, you have to provide the how other values are considered in the distribution. So you can see other category. You have to report other categories, how they are distributed. And you can see also here employment status that was in the data. Yeah, employment status here. So you can see that there is only two categories, permanent and casual. So this is also categorical variable. So in this case, in the APA table, you will say exactly the same like age, there was categories. So average, you will write the most frequently repeated value and then the distribution about the other categories. But in the standard deviation and these five elements, you don't have to report because it's not relevant. And also this one is another categorical variable. So that is in your data. So the recommended, so that is the value, yes or no. It's not the numbers, just the two categories. So in this case, also you will consider that categorical variables. So you report what is most repeated, and then the other category here, and then in the between there is nothing to report. So please consider that when you write the APA table about your variables, which is the categorical variable, like age, employment status, and recommended. That is only the average as a percent, and then distribution, other categories. And then if that is a continuous variable, like the numbers, and then you have to report all this you can obtain that in the descriptive statistics. Okay, so I hope this will help you. Thank you.